Welcome to another tutorial about linear algebra. This time we will discuss linear system and inverse. First, every linear system has matrix form defined as AX equals B, where A is the matrix of all the coefficients, X is the set of the unknown variables within the system, and B is for all the equivalent of each equation. By deriving the formula, multiply both sides of the equation by A inverse. Based on the definition of inverse matrix, this part of the equation is equals to identity matrix. So we can rewrite equation as identity times X is equal to A inverse times B. Pay attention in this part of the equation. If we multiply any matrix by identity matrix, the product is the matrix itself. So we can rewrite this equation as X is equals to A inverse times B. And this is the formula that we will use for the whole discussion. After deriving the formula, we will proceed in solving linear system. Example number 1. A is equals to 3, 2, 1, negative 4. We already know the variable of the equation. Same with the B, but A inverse is not given. So first, find the inverse of matrix A. A inverse is equals to 1 over AD minus BC times matrix D, negative B, negative C, A. A inverse is equals to matrix 2 over 7, 1 over 7, 1 over 14, and negative 3 over 14. Now, solve for the equation using the formula X equals A inverse B. Now we can conclude that the solution for the given equation is 1, 3. We can now proceed to our next example. Solve the system. X minus y is equals to 1. 2x plus y minus 2z equals negative 8. 6x minus y plus 3z is equals to 21. Same process with example number 1. Solve the inverse matrix. To get the inverse of this matrix, we will use transforming A slash identity to identity slash A inverse. First, turn the first entry of R2 and R3 to 0. Turn the first non-zero entry of R2 to 1. Multiply 3 over 19 to make the first non-zero entry to be 1. And now we have the inverse of matrix A. Now solve the linear system. And we're done. The solution for the linear system is 1, 0, 5. That is how to solve linear system and inverse. I hope you understand the process of finding the solution of the linear system. Always remember the formula x equals A inverse B because it is the key for solving the solution of linear system. After solving the system and you're having a doubt for your answer, substitute your answer in any of the given linear system. If the equation is equal, then you have a right answer. To be more confident, try to substitute your answer to all the given linear system.